Apple cider vinegar has a wide range of applications and is used worldwide. It is utilized in cooking, for household purposes, as a natural medicine, and for cosmetic reasons. While various brands and types of apple cider vinegar can be found in supermarkets at different price points, industrially produced versions may not be the healthiest option. Therefore, this video aims to demonstrate how to make homemade apple cider vinegar. To make your own apple cider vinegar, you can use only a couple of large, preferably organic apples with perfect skin, and peel, core, and cut them into small pieces. Put the apple pieces in a blender with water, enough to cover at least half of the apples, and blend them until smooth. Transfer the mixture into a glass bottle and leave it in the sun for 4 to 6 weeks at room temperature. Afterward, filter the mixture and transfer it into a dark glass bottle for storage and use. Although making apple cider vinegar at home is time-consuming, it is well worth the effort. This recipe provides an easy and effective way to enjoy the many benefits of apple cider vinegar. If you have tried making apple cider vinegar at home before or have your recipe, please share your experience with us in the comments below. If you find this recipe helpful, don't forget to like and share the video. Your feedback is valuable to us and helps us to continue to provide informative content that contributes to your health and well-being. We hope that you find this recipe helpful and that you'll give it a try. One of the many benefits of homemade apple cider vinegar is that it contains the mother, a cloudy substance that forms during the fermentation process and is full of healthy bacteria, enzymes, and nutrients. This makes it a better option than the clear and filtered apple cider vinegar that you might find in the store, which has been stripped of these beneficial components. In addition to its many uses in cooking and household tasks, apple cider vinegar has been touted for its potential health benefits, such as aiding in digestion, boosting weight loss, and lowering blood sugar levels. However, it's essential to note that these claims are not backed by robust scientific evidence, and more research is needed to confirm these potential benefits. In summary, making apple cider vinegar at home is a straightforward and rewarding process that allows you to enjoy the many benefits of this versatile ingredient. Whether you use it for cooking, cleaning, or as a natural remedy, homemade apple cider vinegar is a healthy and budget-friendly alternative to store-bought options. So, give it a try and let us know how it turns out.